A basketball player passes the ball at a speed of 11 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees. You're required to calculate the greatest height the ball reaches. 2. The time the ball takes to reach that height. 3. The horizontal distance that the ball travels. That's your range. First things first, you've got to resolve your velocity into the horizontal and vertical components. Your horizontal component is your velocity cos theta, that is 11 cos theta, that gives you 9.5. Your vertical component is v sine theta, that is 11 sine 30, gives you 5.5. To get your height, all you need to do is to use velocity equals root of 2gh. Make h the subject of the equation. You get 1.5. Add 1.5 to the height of the goals, that is 2 meters. 2 meters plus 1.5 gives you 3.5. That is the greatest height the ball reaches above the ground level. 2. To get the time taken for the ball to reach that height, just use the equation of motion. V equals u plus at. V representing your final velocity, u initial velocity, a your acceleration, which in this case you change to g, that is acceleration due to gravity. That becomes 9.81 meters per second. And then the time. So rearrange the equation, make time the subjects, you get 0.56 seconds. Right. And then the final part of the question says you should get the horizontal distance. That's your range. All you need to do is the time we got for B is 0.56. The time taken to reach the maximum height is going to take double of that time for the ball to reach the ground. All you need to do, multiply it by 2. 2 times 0.56 gives you 1.12, and use the velocity equation, which is distance equals velocity times time. Distance, that's what we're looking for. Velocity is 9.5, time is 1.12. That gives you 10.6.